Hi all, welcome back to Java 8 Stream API interview coding series. So this is the seventh question of the series and the question is convert all strings to uppercase. So the input is a lowercase Java, lowercase Spring, lowercase Stream API, lowercase boot, and the expected output is uppercase Java, uppercase Spring, uppercase String API and uppercase boot. So before we start with the coding part in IntelliJ IDEA, let's first see the thinking approach of this code. So let's get started. So this is the logic before code. We have list of strings, lowercase Java, lowercase Spring, lowercase Stream API, lowercase boot. So we are going to read each string. So currently we have lowercase Java. So we are going to convert to uppercase. So lowercase Java becomes uppercase Java. And we are going to store that uppercase string in a list. So list contains now uppercase Java. Now we are going to move to next element in list. So next element in list is lowercase Spring. So this lowercase Spring is getting converted into uppercase Spring. And this time the updated list will be uppercase Java and uppercase Spring. So same approach we are going to perform for the remaining elements of the list. And finally we will get the result as uppercase Java, uppercase Spring, uppercase Stream API and uppercase boot. So friends, now let's start with practical session of the video. Here I have created a class called convert all strings to uppercase, which contains main methods. So inside this main methods, it has list of string values. So we have lowercase Java, we have lowercase Stream API, we have lowercase Spring, and we have lowercase boot. Now let me try to introduce a local variable here and rename the local variable as languages. So what was our requirement? Our requirement was from this list we need to convert all strings to uppercase. So how to do that using Java Stream API? Let's see. So we have languages list. First we need to convert it into Stream API method. Why Stream API method? Because it contains ready-made pipeline methods which we can use in our code. So if you put here dot, you can see lot of ready-made methods are available like collect, filter, map, reduce. So according to your requirement, you can use this method. So for our requirement, we are going to use map. Why map? Because it changes every element in the string. Here it converts every lowercase string into an uppercase string. Notice that no elements are removed, only the values are changed. That's why the output list has same number of elements. Now let's write the logic for our code. So the string, it has a method called toUppercase. What it does, it transforms each element into an uppercase. So once we got uppercase element, let's collect those elements. So we have a method called collect. It contains class collectors, and inside that collectors class we have toList method. What it does, it returns a new list. So now let's try to introduce a local variable here and try to print the value. So if we try to print the value, we are going to get the all the strings into uppercase. So when we run the program, we are going to get all strings into uppercase. So see, all the lowercase elements are now getting converted into uppercase elements. So this is the approach 1 where we have done the code through lambda expressions. Now let's see the approach 2. So we have same list. First we need to convert it into stream. Then we need to use the map method. In this map method, we all know, right, we have string class. So this string class has method called toUppercase. So this is the way through method references. So the string converts all the elements into uppercase. Once it gets converted into uppercase, let's collect those elements. So same, now we have collectors class, then inside that we have toList method. Now let's introduce a local variable here again. And now if I try to print the value again and try to run the program, you will get the same output. So once the program got successful run, see, we are getting the same output. So guys, if you really found this video helpful, please like the video, share the video to your friend circles and subscribe to my channel. I have given complete Java playlist in the description box, And if you have any doubts regarding this video, you can put your doubts in the comment section. So whenever I get free times, I can look into it and solve your queries. Happy learning with Java and see you in the next video.